In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email on Oanda. If you've looked for a setting inside the trading platform and couldn't find it, you're not missing anything. For security reasons, Oanda typically handles email updates through their support team rather than inside the app or web platform. That extra verification protects your account and helps prevent unauthorized changes. Here's how the process works from start to finish. First, open Oanda's support chat or reach out to customer service through their official support channel. Either option gets you to the same place, a representative who can assist with account changes. When you're connected, let them know that you want to update the registered email address on your account. Next comes identity verification. Because the login email is a key security credential, Oanda may ask a few questions about your account or request identity documents. This is normal and meant to keep your funds and data safe. Have your basic account details handy and be prepared to provide documentation if they request it. Once they confirm your identity, provide the new email address you want to use. Share it carefully to avoid typos and make sure it's an inbox you control and check regularly. A secure, up-to-date email helps you receive trade notifications, account alerts, and important service messages without interruption. After that, support will process the change. The actual update can be quick, but timing can vary. In many cases, it takes only a few minutes. In others, it may take a few hours depending on verification and workload. During this period, simply wait for confirmation from the support team. They will let you know when the switch is complete. That's the entire workflow. Contact support, state you want to change your registered email, verify your identity, and provide the new email. Because Oanda prioritizes account security, handling this through support is the most common and reliable path. If you respond promptly to any verification requests, the process is straightforward and smooth. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your Oanda email with confidence.